Have you ever wondered what happens when you go to the dentist and you get a filling? Well, I will explain that after the dentist has removed all of the decay or the cavity that was in your tooth, he leaves a nice clean area called a prep in the tooth, which is typically where your friendly dental assistant will come in and place your filling. How that works is that with the tooth-colored fillings called composite fillings, your dental assistant will place a small amount of liquid into the tooth. It's called bond material, and what that actually does is sort of open up the microscopic pores of your tooth and allow the filling material to actually bond with your tooth. Think of tree roots in the soil so that it stays in there. So unlike with the metal fillings, you don't have to worry about those falling out eventually. So your dental assistant will put that liquid in there. Typically they'll use something called a curing light. It's that bright blue light to make that set up. It's just a very concentrated ultraviolet light. And then after that, they can place the filling material. So they'll use an instrument to sort of condense it or pack it in the tooth until it's nice and smooth. They'll make it look all nice and pretty, just like your normal natural tooth. And then shine the curing light on there again to make sure that it sets up. Now the really nice thing too about the tooth-colored fillings is once that light is shined on there, the filling is just as hard as your tooth. An important thing to remember is if it feels funny when you bite down, your dental assistant can always adjust that, or your dentist can, so that it feels nice with your bite and doesn't make your tooth sore. But that is how a filling is placed in a nutshell.